how VP Kosandro Chiwenga survived an arrest at airport. Sarabina mashkobuda kwa pamusoro achinzi Operation Restore Legacy Tales. Panguva ino voya vachidiga out vachiburitsa vachiexposa chokwadi aiwa chinonekwa kunzi VP Kosandro Chiwenga aiwa somewhere around 2017 pane an attempt and yakaplaniwa yekuarresta the vice president VP Kosandro Chiwenga, but panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi at that time it failed. VP Kosandro Chiwenga aiwa pamwechete his intelligence, military intelligence nemaforces ake, they counteracted it. Sana mina mashoko amdanyuka panguva ino kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon tipinda apa yendo aiwa yamutsamushasa wanda amdanyura chiti. It is reported that 2 weeks from the military intervention dubbed Operation Restore Legacy that took place in November 2017, police officers in plain clothing failed to arrest General Chiwenga at the airport. The police were outsmarted by military intelligence officers who had been briefed about the attempt to arrest their boss for plotting a coup. Military officers, disguised and dressed as National Handling Services workers, made their way into the runway entrance and escorted Chiwenga before arresting the police officers who had been allegedly sent by Commissioner General Chivuri. So dramatic were the scenes that the police officers found themselves surrounded by the military and were forced to disarm before being bundled into a van. Ndo mashikanobuda panguva ine anyazoratidza kuti VP Kosandro Chiwenga is very powerful. Chiwenga panguva ine anoonekwa kunzi aiwa he is untouched, amukwanisi mukomana uyu, and dzonyatsobuda pachena kuti VP Kosandro Chiwenga vakambopinda aiwa pakarema pakobvu nepatete and through thin and thick, but VP Kosandro Chiwenga anoonekwa kunzi vanoramba vachingoratidza kuti he is a victor. And panguva ine kuchionekwa kunzi VP Kosandro Chiwenga the same person akambopinda aiwa mabushes vachirwa hondo, now is in another struggle, a fight to fight for the country's freedom, the country's prosperity. Panguva ine achikola up for accountability nekumisa corruption. Pena comment section medu zofungura emo today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like apa chota on the bell icon.